SciTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a broken hard drive by simply replacing the hard drive, allowing you to still use the portable properties. Let's get started. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and try to locate where there's some screws. Usually, screws are hidden underneath these sticky tabs, but in this case, not. Pry it open. Just 1 minute, I'll get a tool for that. Okay, so all you have to do is just pry it open for this particular model. Okay, so now I got the top open, and there we go. We have the hard drive that's inside. So what I need to do is take a look, and nope, it doesn't pop out that easy. And it's likely that this will pop out. There we go, just like that. Pops out, just like that. And here's a little protective shell. Okay, so I should be able to remove these screws that are on the side. Arranging the PCB. And there. The broken hard drive is now free. Now we can go ahead and take it apart and do all kinds of cool stuff with it. Broken hard drives like these can be useful for a lot of interesting things. The motor, the disk platter, the neodymium magnets, all kinds of interesting things you can do with this. Here's my second hard drive. This one works. Make sure it's a laptop size hard drive, and just take it and slip it in. Just like that. Perfect. And then everything that you did to open it, same thing, but backwards. So just simply take this, close this back in. And there you have it. Now you know how to repair a portable hard drive by replacing the old hard drive with a new hard drive and be able to use its portable functions. And there you have it. Thank you for watching SciTech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future SciTech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.